Right, so just another quick trap video. Some of you may have seen this one before, some may not. Quite a common one, but in like different ways of setting it. And it's probably one of the most cruel traps you'll ever get. But in a survival situation, considering it's only string and fishing hooks, it could easily be made, and you could get fairly large birds with this. So what it is one main central cord. You can have that as long as you like and as thick as you like, but coming off of it you have thinner cords on each one. On the end you have a fishing hook. You should be able to see that hopefully. A fishing hook on the end of it. Then you'd put a bit of bait on whatever, you know, the kind of bird you was going for, you know, what kind of thing they ate. Do loads of them is what you would do. You wouldn't just do 3, you'd do as many as you could, or as many as you got. So you'd bait them up, and then the several ways of setting it would be. I've seen some where you would tie this to like a couple of low branches, so it's actually hanging, but hanging low enough that say a pheasant or some sort of game bird would come along and could peck at them. Or another method I've seen is you have a peg at each end, you hammer them into the ground, so these are tied to the pegs, and you bury it all lightly except for just a small piece at each end with your bait sticking out the ground, so the bird can't see any of the string. And he starts pecking at the stuff on the floor, pulls one of these up, and obviously you must get the idea that once the bird has swallowed it, the hook gets caught in its throat or wherever, you know, in its stomach, depends how far it gets down there, catches it by the hook, and then you've caught them by that. So a trap like that would obviously be illegal probably everywhere in the world, but good to know in a survival situation, because that is nothing, you know, it's nothing to make that as long as you have fishing hooks and string. You may be able to make primitive string, and you may be able to make gorges, you know, kind of out of thorns and that, instead of fishing hooks. So yeah, it's one worth knowing, something different and really simple. And another method I have heard of is, instead of having the main part of the string, you disregard that, you have lots of these, you tie them to low branches in bushes and that. I saw that one, that was intended for pheasants, so you would bait the area, and later on you would put these out hanging off of branches all over the kind of little, you know, lower shrubs and things like that. And the same thing, catch the pheasant down its throat. Now there is another method where you have one piece of string and you have your raisins going down it, and then you could also have some fishing hooks as well, but that would only catch one bird. It would use the same amount of bait, the same amount of hooks, but you'd only catch one bird. Whereas this one would be better, because instead of having, you know, all your raisins up there or all your fishing hooks up it, you've got them separated like this. You could potentially catch a bird on each one of those. I'll show you a picture of one in an old book in a minute. Right, anyway, that's pretty much it. I suppose you could use any bait, you know, anything you kind of wanted. You know, worms, things like that. Right, anyway, cheers for watching. I'll see you later.